Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch these Starlight Manta Ray in Fish It Roblox. So this manta ray is one of the coolest catches in Fish It. And here I'm going to show you the best location, the perfect bait, and the route setup you need to land this massive ray. So as for the location, here you can get the fish on the Kohana Island, and for the exact location I'm going to show you, in the docks in here you can just go straight to this location. So just go in here. I'm going to tell you where I got the manta ray. So I got the fish in this exact location near this waterfall. And as for the bait, I'm using the singularity bait and the element rod. So you can try your luck to lure the fish. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.